In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge duplicate tasks in Asana. Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge duplicate tasks in Asana so you can keep your projects clean and organized. Merging is great when the same task has been created twice because it gathers all the important details into one place and prevents teammates from doing the same work twice. Start by opening Asana on your desktop and heading to your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace for the project you're working on, since many people belong to more than one. Once you're in, open the project that contains the duplicate tasks. You can be in List View or Board View, whichever you prefer. Just navigate to the project where you've spotted duplicates. Look for tasks with the same or very similar titles or tasks that describe the same outcome. Next, click the task you want to merge into another task to open the task panel on the right. Think of this as the duplicate or secondary version that you're consolidating. When the panel opens, you'll see the task's details like description, assignee, due date, and any attachments or comments. In the task panel, click the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More Actions. This is where Asana keeps a lot of the task-specific tools. From that menu, select Merge Duplicate Task. This command doesn't delete information. It pulls it together, so everything ends up in one authoritative task. A Merge Task window will appear. Use the search field to find the task you want to merge into, the main version you want to keep. Select that task. Take a second to confirm it's the right one by checking the title and context, so you're merging into the correct primary task. Now click Merge to combine the tasks. Asana will consolidate the task details, comments, and attachments so that nothing important is lost. The duplicate task you started from is merged into the selected task, leaving you with a single, richer source of truth. After the merge completes, you'll notice the remaining task is more complete, with the combined history and files in one place. This helps your team align on updates, reduces confusion, and keeps your project tidy. If you ever don't see the merge option, make sure you're in the desktop interface and that you have permission to edit tasks in the project. And that's all it takes to merge duplicate tasks in Asana and keep your workflows streamlined. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.